Kuzo Zangpo, hello, namaste, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Kizang bringing you from Pemagatshel district, and we are at Nanong Pangtang with those two beautiful ladies and a group of people who wants to say Kuzo Zangpo to you all from Bhutan. Kuzo Zangpo. Kuzo Zangpo from Bhutan.
Abi 어딘지 난죠? 오가 오파야? 오가 오파? Eh, abi now speed ka dang mala na abi gi. Ay nan zak pela abi. Abi sning hapte hoye? Porkhung. Abi mingchang hai abi. Sonam. Ta abi dungsho ga gila. Kulunga. Eh. Ah eh. Aman. Ya, o da nabi chapte ni ya.
This group of people who just wish you Kuzo Zangpo from Bhutan were just returning back from attending someone's funeral, and this practice is still done in the villages. You know, all these people, they had walked almost 2 hours just to reach to the funeral and then 2 hours back to their home, and it was just an awesome feeling for me to experience that people still come together and pay their respect no matter how far it is, when there's death, sickness, or even, you know, happy moments. So this is what they do in the villages, friends, and it's just a beautiful experience that I got to share with you all. It was just a beautiful thing to see and experience of teamwork and helping each other is still being practiced in the villages. Here, for example, one member from each household has come out to help to cut the bushes where they're preparing the ground to be ready for house construction coming up in few months. And all they are just using is simple sword used by men, which is known as patang, and the female, they are using a cutting tool called banki, which is used by female in the villages.
Asham yak chop la ko chit ma lo.
Mà xin đừng chứ.
Chit ma lo la.
Cái này là bờ. Cái nhau nhá. Nhá ta bữa nay nó ta bữa nay thấy ta bữa nay. Ta thì phải ta phải sửa rồi. Đi phiêu một.
Hello.
Nó còn xi lông sao?
So after taking lunch break for an hour, everyone is back to work again as they had to complete cutting down of these bushes by end of the day. Friends, I end my vlog here for today. Hope you liked the video and got to see some of the village life that happens every day here in Nanong in Pemagatshel district. Please do like, share and subscribe if you liked my video. Share lots of love, happiness and peace to you all.